Hey guys, I just wanted to do a very quick recording here showing you some things about you as a wellness advocate have a website. And so when people first enroll as a wellness advocate or they upgrade from being a wholesale customer to being a wellness advocate, this is often sometimes that it gets kind of overlooked. And so I thought I would give you a quick tour of the very cool website that doTERRA supplies you. And I've been in business for many, many years, self-employed. And I have to say, this is like one of the coolest replicated websites I've ever seen. It's really quite nice. And I encourage you to put the URL for your website on the bottom of your all of your material to direct people to teach them how to go to your website and enroll, because more and more people are savvy. The website was recently updated extensively. doTERRA's been in a very long upgrade. They've taken many months, over a year, that they've been doing incremental improvements on the website, and it's really nice and slick. So do take advantage of that, and I'm going to quick do a screen share here to show you. So this is my website, and what you're going to see, and yours will just look just like this, and you can put your photograph. You can write your title, however you want to have your title. You can have a little welcome text. You can make this longer so it can scroll. What is an essential oil? Why doTERRA? Ready for anything. These are 3 really beautiful, very short, brief videos that are training videos. Then you also have access. These 3 up here are also education. I just want to show you those really quick. The Essential Oils 101. You can give a link to a new person who's just enrolled. You can send this to them. Here are the top 9 oils that come in those base kits. And you'll see that when you click on them, if you go to frankincense, it basically shows you everything about that. It's the product information page. Now, just information, at the bottom of every oil, there's at least a product information sheet link under more info. In some cases, there's also a presentation and a video. And so if you ever are in a place where you want to do a presentation on a specific oil, they've actually provided you with presentation materials for that. And so that's great. Not every oil has a video, but most of them have a presentation and a PIP page. So that's that. And then there's do-it-yourself. So in the do-it-yourself link up here, you have access to all of these fabulous recipes. So you can send people to any one of these, or you could create your own, make yourself do your, make and take class. On our team, we're starting to use a lot of make and take classes, because it's a really great way to get people hands-on and experiencing how to use the oils right away. And then there's a section for recipes. And so this is where you can find really great tested recipes that are really good. I recently made this pasta salad, and I've had a lot of people, the people who were there, and some other people I shared this food with, because made a pretty big sized portion, and I wound up having leftovers that I shared with other people besides the class. And so anyway, it's a great recipe. That's there. Now, just really quickly showing you how to get into your, let's see, let's go back over to here. This bar for Zoom has gotten in the way, and so I'm having, trying to get back. There we go. Now it went back to being small again. Yay. So what I wanted to show you is, how do I get right back? Let's see. So there's my site. Actually, that's the site. What you want to go to, okay, when you log in to your website, to your back office, okay, so you just logged yourself in, and now you should see your name up here in a little pull-down menu. The way to set up your website is you go to Account Profile, and you scroll down, and you'll see my website. So you can go right to here, go to my website address. Now, I used the URL. I wanted Be Joyful Essential Wellness is the business name I've selected. So I just put Be Joyful there, but you can put your name. This is where you would type in the short intro. You can put in a longer story here. And then you just click Save Changes. You can upload your photo, and then you'll be good to go. And then you will have, it'll tell you right here, what is your site address, which actually is a shorter version. That is the short version you can use. So if I do copy and paste that right now, that should return, that returns to my site. So it's a shorter version of the URL. Or what I did for mine is I created, I went to GoDaddy and I reserved bejoyful.org as a URL. I purchased that. And then I just simply have this pointing to the doTERRA replicated site. And then it brings people right here. So you can do it that way, or just using the shortened version that they provide you with. So that's that. I'm going to stop this share, and that's all for now. If you have any further questions, give me a call. Thanks. Bye. I'm going to stop recording, not stop the video.